G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of Greg from Oakesy Adventures, and this is going to be quite a short episode, but this is where it pays to find these little tracks that you do on the side of the road and drive down them and take the challenge and see where it goes to. So what I've done is I've actually did that. We're heading back from the Pilbara, heading back to Perth after being in the Kimberley, and we saw this track off to the left hand side, and we took it. Took about 35-40 minutes to get in. A little bit rutted, but dragged the old van in here and checked this place out. So here we are, all set up. Got solar panels out. We've got the barossa set up, and there is Denise enjoying herself. What a cracker of a little camp.
I put the towel on so my arm doesn't get sore.
Yeah, put a towel down there so it doesn't get a sore bum. And I've got a little pump set up down the bottom there, pumping some water up to a bucket so we can wash our feet before we go into the van at night and keep our feet all clean. And this is absolutely a pearler. Massive big fire pit there. That's a little bit gross, but yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, this is hasn't been a lot of water up here in the Pilbara this year, so it's a little bit lower than normal. We did call into Clara Pool and had a look there, and that was very, very low and stagnant and looked like it was full of mozzies and midgies. So we decided to push on for a bit more for another day and have a look around and head back home. And this is what we found. So not complaining. I will put the drone up as we leave, so you can see some of the track we come in on, and where we drag the old van. But no, it's absolutely spectacular. We're going to spend a couple of days here and just veg out before we do the last little dash home to Perth and the cold, wet weather. With that, I'm going to grab yourself a nice cold beer, sit down and enjoy this peaceful area. Like I said, these are the tracks you obviously drive past many times when you're travelling, and you don't go down them because you're obviously, sometimes you've got no time and you need to go to A to B. But we had a few extra days up our sleeve, and we decided to investigate, and it was well worth investigating.
Want to have a swim?
Nope.
Swim?
So what do you think about that sunset? I think it was pretty specky myself, but we're a long way from the coast, but still out here in the Pilbara, absolutely turns it on again. All right guys, so like I said, I'm going to before get this fire, I've got the coals now, I'm going to start putting that ready for cooking on and have some grub and see how we go. All right, see you in the morning. that's it, guys. We've headed back out to the main road from last night's camp on that river, or that creek. Absolutely spectacular creek. And we're going to wrap it up here. This is the end of our little series for the 25 Kimberley trip. And now we do a mad dash. Now we do a mad dash back to Perth and confront the cold weather. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed all the videos, and I'll see you when we're back out on the road again.